The $100 billion ingredient making your food toxic. Nina Teicholz, born May 7, 1965, is a journalist who advocates for reducing restrictions on naturally occurring fats, including saturated fats. In the American diet, she is known for her work on fighting obesity, as well as for criticizing government reports and found herself in conflict with government agencies. She is also criticized for being an ally of the meat, beef, and dairy industry. She founded the Nutrition Coalition. She is the author of the New York Times bestseller The Big Fat Surprise, the product of research into hundreds of published scientific studies on nutrition and human health. 1. In The Big Fat Surprise, Nina Teicholz presents a compelling argument against the conventional wisdom on dietary fats. She challenges the belief that saturated fats are inherently harmful and provides a detailed account of how the demonization of these fats came to be. Teicholz sheds light on the flawed science and dietary guidelines that have shaped our understanding of nutrition for decades. One of the book's key revelations is the role of seed oils in the rise of chronic diseases. Teicholz delves into the history of these oils and their connection to the food industry. Exposing the dubious practices that have led to their widespread use, she also discusses the impact of the low-fat diet craze on public health, highlighting the unintended consequences of vilifying fats. Teicholz's thorough research and compelling writing make The Big Fat Surprise a must-read for anyone interested in nutrition and health. She presents a knowledge explanation of the subject matter, offering readers a deeper understanding of the complexities surrounding dietary fats. Overall, this book is a thought-provoking and eye-opening read that challenges conventional dietary advice. It prompts readers to question long-held beliefs about fats and provides a new perspective on the role of nutrition in promoting overall well-being.